for giving us this stage to share and making TNI MP branch as a part of this conference. This is national conference, a prestigious conference, and we are proud to be the part of this conference. As I know that my time is over, it was from 12:15 and it is already over. In just brief, we will give you information regarding the Trained Nurses Association of India and also of Madhya Pradesh State Branch. So the Trained Nurses Association of India, now it has completed 116 years, and the concept came in 9 British nursing superintendents that they should form one association of nurses to discuss about the nursing problems. And then in 1905 at Lucknow, they formed the Nursing Superintendent Association, and from that time TNI started, the germ form of TNI started, and gradually then it was taking part as TNI. In 1908, TNI has registered with Bombay Commissionary, and that time it has been given name from Nursing Superintendent Association to Trained Nurses Association of India. And after this registration in Commissioner in 1917, then Trained Nurses Association of India is registered under Society and Registration Society Act, and during 2008 it has been completed the 100 years of association. So this is the oldest association of nursing in India, and also the largest association of nurses, which is recognized by Government of India in 1950. No other nursing association is recognized by Government of India, but this is the only association which is recognized by the Government of India. And the circular letter was sent to state, and also this is the only service organization which is recognized by the various states of India. And in all committees of council, nursing council, the president of Trained Nurses Association at national level and at state level, they are involved to discuss the problem of nurses, and whenever they take decision regarding nursing, they involve the TNI member to discuss the problem of nurses. And also, the Trained Nurses Association is affiliated to Common Health Nurses and Midwifery Federation, and also this is the only nursing organization which is affiliated to Common Health Nurses and Midwife Federation, and also it is affiliated to International Council for Nurses. And every year we are attending the meeting of Commonwealth Nurses and Midwife Federation. And also this organization is, if we say, it is non-profitable and non-political organization, and we are not allowed to do the strike. I have to say that it is educational and service organization, and that is why we are not supposed to do the strike, but in different way we are supposed to demand whatever we want to demand from the government. In different way we have to place the various problems of nurses before the government, and the government take decision whether it has to do it or not. And these are some of the objectives. Because time is short, I will just say that TNI is working towards the uniformity of standard of education, standard of clinical services, and also it is focusing on nursing research and social welfare as well as welfare of nurses and nursing students. The other part of this Trained Nurses Association is Student Nurses Association of India. So Student Nurses Association of India, or SNA unit, what we say, this is the part of TNAI, and 1929 this SNAI Student Nurses Association unit has been developed, and now in 2029 we are going to have 100 years of SNAI also. We are going to celebrate it in big way. And TNI journal is also published since 1910, and till date it is continuing. No discontinuation was found during COVID also, during very so many disasters also. This has been published, and still we are publishing. Now it is available online also. During 2010 we in TNI we published quarterly journal also, so that is there. These are the, and so many other textbook and other publications are also available. The first conference of TNI was held in Banaras during 1910, and since then conference also is regularly we are organizing. So 1 year conference is there for Trained Nurses Association, means for trained nurses, and then alternate year for student nurses. So every alternate year for trained nurses and student nurses we are organizing. So many people, they don't know that Trained Nurses Association only had been involved to start nursing education program in India, and during 1920 to 1940 ANM LHV GNM post certificate programs started, and after 1946 BSc nursing program started, and then after 1959 post basic BSc nursing program, and then thereafter MSc nursing and PhD program started by TNAI. And also only few people, they know that Indian Nursing Council is made by Trained Nurses Association of India. So first Indian Nursing Council was the part of Trained Nurses Association of India, and during 1947, because so much workload was there for Trained Nurses Association of India, so they only established Indian Nursing Council, and 1947 the act came, and also State Nursing Council was also established by Trained Nurses Association of India, and 1926 the first State Nursing Council was established in Tamil Nadu. These are the patrons. The President of India is patron of Trained Nurses Association of India, and in state, Governor of states, they are patron of this association. And there are 34 branches at present in India of Trained Nurses Association, and also there are about 3,000 Student Nurses Association units are available in India. So this you can see that in 1950 the government gazette notification was there for to recognize Trained Nurses Association of India as service organization, and they have sent circular to all states. This is the now the headquarters of Trained Nurses Association of India is in Green Park, New Delhi. And Dr. Radhakrishnan, he laid down the foundation of that building, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister, she inaugurated the building. And in 1950, the building was there in Alipur Road, New Delhi. You can see in the slide. And then 1916 to 29, the building shape was like this of Green Park, New Delhi. And now this is the 2021, the building is renovated, And this is the picture of renovated building of Trained Nurses Association of India. And you will be surprised that Trained Nurses Association of India only initiated to give award for excellence in nursing in the form of Florence Nightingale Award. And the first Florence Nightingale Award was started during 15th November 1971. So first award. So this is the contribution of Trained Nurses Association of India, because so many times people they ask what Trained Nurse TNI is doing, what TNI is doing. So you can see, and there are so many achievements are there and so many work that TNI is doing. But people, they don't want to join TNI because they don't want to work with the protocol and standards, and they don't want to uphold the position of nurses. So this is the reason. So this you can see. And TNI, I have already told you that it is a member of affiliated to Commonwealth. Then to 2011, to give tribute to nurses, the Government of India, the Postal Department of Government of India, they published the stamp on this nurse. You can see the stamp, that is Trained Nurses Association of India of 5 rupees. And in Green Park, where the headquarters of Trained Nurses Association is located, that lane, whole road is given name of Florence Nightingale. So it is, the office address is L17 Florence Nightingale Lane. So this is this was dedicated by APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Now the TNI has 3 acres of land in Noida, Greater Noida, and there we have started different work for nurses, and we have 3 buildings, and daycare center for elderly people, and then we have Central Institute of Nursing and Research, where simulation, skill based simulation center is also there, which is sponsored by Liverpool. And we are providing training to nurses and doctors under this Noida, this Central Institute of Nursing Research, and so many, more than 1,000 doctors and nurses, they have taken this training from this institute. And also we have accommodation in Noida, Greater Noida, for more than 400 nurses. And these are the program in Greater Noida we are doing, TNI is doing. And recently TNI has got the different awards also. It is Astitva Samman Award, and also COVID Champion Healthcare Awards also TNI, because TNI during COVID time, they spent financially lakhs of rupees to distribute N95 mask also, and so many nurses, they work also for that. And each state, even in Madhya Pradesh, specifically in Indore, because the status of people during COVID was very bad during that time in Indore. So Indore, they have we have given around 5,000 N95 marks, and in Bhopal 3,000 N95 marks, and even in Bhopal from Madhya Pradesh TNI branch, we have helped them, Gandhi Medical College and other government colleges, with finance also. This is also Indira Gandhi Peace Award was given last year in 2024 Feb also, itself. Now there are so many benefits of Trained Nurses Association of India, which people and nurses who are sitting over here, they don't know. So I will just request Dr. Jaya Bijoy. She is currently President of Trained Nurses Association of India, Madhya Pradesh branch, to explain about the benefits of Trained Nurses Association of India.
Thank you, ma'am. So, looking into the time, I'll just brief you with the benefits. So first, if you are a TNI member or a SNA member, you will get a scholarship for your curriculum, that is your yearly tuition fees. You will be getting an amount of 24,000. It is applicable for BSc Nursing, Post-Basic Nursing, MSc Nursing, ANM and GNM courses. Then medical assistance, we are providing 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh for medical treatment. It is either given in monthly basis or at one go. Then if there is a critical assistance, like there is a major road accident or a very urgent emergency operation, you can apply and immediately within 5 minutes the amount is released. And the last year a 2 lakh rupees was released within 5 minutes of receiving the application. Now there is a nurses welfare grant. Retired nurses who have no family members to support, we are giving them monthly 5,000 to 8,000 for their expenses, monthly expenses. Then we have facilities like guest house at Green Park area, and where if you remember, you'll get the house at a concessional rates, and it is a very posh area. Delhi people might be knowing about it. And we have a facility for disaster relief. Last year, Gaza relief, we had given to the SNA students an amount of 10,000 per student, and there were about 150 students who had this. Gujarat floods, we have given the amount of this. And I would especially like to mention, during the Kerala floods, every state, not only the national TNI, every state contributed in terms of money, in terms of food, in terms of clothes, medicines. And as MBTNI, we also sent a truck full of things to the Kerala people during their disaster time. Then there is a facility of research grant. So research scholars, you can avail this facility. Every year it is published in the bulletin, where you have to present your proposal, and if it is selected, your grant is received and you can do the studies. Then there is a facility of overseas placement. Now why TNI? There are many agents who can take you there, but then there was a complaint which was given to the government of India that there is exploitation of nurses who are going abroad in terms of finances, in terms of stay. So they came and requested TNI, please help us in this regard. So TNI took this challenge, and now we are placing the nurses free of cost. And 1 month stay, 3 months stay in the overseas, we are taking care of their charges. So not a single penny the nurses have to pay if they are going through TNI. Then recently, last year, we have started accidental death insurance coverage of 10 lakhs. You don't have to pay a single premium. TNI is taking care of it. You just have to register, and in case of accidental death, the family members or the nominee will get a 10 lakh rupees. Then other educational benefits includes, like for workshops and conferences, you will have concession. You will have a first entry to the participation and scientific paper presentations, concession for TNI publications in journals. Then in 2020, we had collaborated with WCA as an online platform for continuing education, and these courses are available at the given website. Then from this year onwards, we have started giving civil service training to the aspirants. 1 aspirant from each 5 regions will be selected, and they are being it is in the pipeline, and from 2 months onwards it will be started. So next is the Lifetime Achievement Awards, and we give incentives to the motivation, and this is the plan. And one more information I would just like to say, that Samsung company has collaborated with TNI, and they are giving additional 20% discount if you are buying any of the products of Samsung. So this is an add-on. जो discount है वो है ही है, उसके अलावा add-on 20%. So this is all in very short brief about TNI, and I thank the organizers for giving us a platform to showcase about TNI. Thank you.
Thank you so much.